Custom round stone fire pit, building it step by step. These pictures show the location, style, and colors for the custom round fire pit this customer wants built. It'll be 7 feet wide with a 5-foot opening. We're using hardscape wall blocks for the wall with an accent color for capstones. The blocks varied in length, depth, and shape. In order to determine the exact wall diameter and block placement, I made a scaled drawing of the approximate wall size onto plywood, laid out the blocks on top, traced them, and adjusted the size of the wall in order to have all full-size blocks. I stuck a piece of steel rod into the soil in the center of the fire pit. With string tied to the rod and to a can of spray paint, I marked the circle where the base material goes. With a flat shovel, I cut out the marked edges in the soil. I used my laser level to mark points on the 8 wood stakes I drove in and tied string from one stake to the other directly across from it. If I would have had a green laser, which is ideal for outdoor use, I would have used it and saved a lot of time. So I used the string to measure from to check the depth of the soil as I dug. Now it's ready for the base material. Compacted crushed granite 4 inches thick and 12 inches wide is ideal for the base of the wall. I always compact the existing soil before laying the first 1-inch layer of base material. I spread it out with a hoe and get it as even as possible. To get the crushed granite level and flat, I installed 12-inch long 2x4s at a certain distance apart. I use a laser level to make sure the front and back of each 2x4 is level. With a rubber mallet, I set the 2x4s at the required height, then build up the sides with crushed granite on an angle. Compacted in layers to hold the 2x4s in place when adding, compacting, and screeding the remaining layers of base material in between them. When laying the crushed granite, I only do 2 inches at a time and compact each layer. This gives a more solid base than doing it all in one shot. I want to use an aluminum or metal straight edge for screeding the granite. Wood won't cut through the material and ends up getting worn down. The granite should be about 1/8 to 1/4 inch above the 2x4s. Remove the 2x4s by putting a 3-inch screw in the center, stand along the sides, and with a crowbar or large hammer, pry the front and back loose until they're loose enough to pull out. This prevents the crushed granite from being pulled up. Compact the granite in the holes left by the 2x4s and around the edges. Fill in and compact the granite until it's high enough to screed and flatten. Come back for part 2. I'll be installing the wall blocks using awesome techniques, calculating the quantity, shape, and sizes of the capstones, and cutting them. Now we're ready to install the first course of blocks.
Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, share, and comment.